to fix unable to activate Windows 10 organization server error. So if you want to fix unable to activate Windows 10 organization server error, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your search and search for command prompt. You need to right click on it and go with run as administrator and go with yes. Once you click on yes, now here you need to enter a command which is slmgr.vbs /DLB and press the enter. And after that, you need to click on OK. A kind of interface will appear. You need to click on OK. Now again, go to the search and you need to search for Registry Editor. So click on the Registry Editor and click on yes. Now here you need to go with HK Local Machine, and under HK Local Machine, you need to go with Software, and under Software, you need to go with Microsoft. Under Microsoft, you will have an option of Windows NT. So you need to go with Windows NT and then double tap on the current version. Now here on the right side, you need to find the product ID. And once you find the product ID, double tap on that and then copy the product ID. Here you will have your product ID. You just need to simply go and copy this. After copying, now you need to go with your Windows and go with cancel and remove this. And under Windows, you need to open up your settings. Now under settings here on the left side, you need to search for activation. If you're using a Windows 10, you will have activation on the left side of your screen. You need to click on the activation option. And here you need to go with the product key, go with change product key. And from here, you need to paste the product key that you've just copied. And after pasting the product key, you need to go with next. And it will activate your Windows 10 organization server error. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.